Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Reese's peanut butter cookies. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a small bowl, add in the flour, baking soda, and salt. Whisk them until they're combined, and set them aside for now. Then in the bowl of a stand mixer, or you can use an electric hand mixer, add in the softened butter, sugar, and brown sugar, and cream them on high speed for 3 minutes. Scrape down the sides occasionally so it's mixing evenly. Then add in the peanut butter. You can use smooth or crunchy. And mix it in until it's combined. Then add in the eggs one at a time, mixing until it's fully incorporated before adding the next one. And add in the vanilla extract and mix it in until it's combined. Then add in the dry ingredients. Mix them in on low speed just until they're combined. And finish it by hand to mix in all the ingredients. Then add in the chopped peanut butter cups, Reese's Pieces, and chopped milk chocolate, and mix them in until they're combined. Scoop the cookie dough out onto an ungreased baking pan, spacing them out 1.5 to 2 inches apart. And bake them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes until they're just starting to lightly brown. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for 5 minutes. And transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool a little longer. And you can serve them still warm or cooled to room temperature. And that's how to make Reese's peanut butter cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.